Greetings, artists and art enthusiasts. Before we dive into this creative journey, I'd like to remind you that your support through subscriptions, likes, and comments is the spark that keeps our channel alive. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, activate the notification bell to catch every detail, and leave that valuable like to back our community. Also, your comments are the driving force that fuels the magic of our vibrant space. So, join in, share your thoughts and theories, and get ready for this exciting drawing adventure on UColor Fun. I appreciate all the loyal followers of UColor Fun for being part of this exciting adventure. Every subscription, like, and comment is like brushstrokes that breathe life into our channel. As I always say, this is just the beginning of a journey filled with creativity and magic. Until the next video, where we'll explore new and exciting themes on UColor Fun.